Giant teachers. Mm, Today we will see a demo for Google Site. I know maximum of you might have not used Google Site yet, and it's one of the wonderful tool I should say, especially for the higher grade students. Whenever from maybe from grade 8 and onwards, uh, whenever you want to assign a group work to your students, Google Site just do wonders. And they even get explored to so many new things, and they have that feeling of creating a new website by themselves. So again, one of the wonderful tool given by Google to us. Let's see how to use or how to use this Google site. So the way I have done here, I am on my drive. So you also needs to be in your drive. Here you have the option of new. Click on new. When you click on new, here you get the option of more at the bottom. Go to the right. Here you have the option of Google Sites. Click on Google Sites. When you click on Google Site, such page gets open. Okay. Now Google site basically will help you. For example, if I want to create something maybe about animals, I want to create a website on animals. So here my home page will be animals. I can add beautiful images over here. See here I have the option of change image. I can change the image, I can upload it, or I can select the image from the internet. It's completely wish. Here I can enter the site name. So if you want, you can add a site name also, and you can add a logo also. So you can ask your students to give a beautiful name about it. So make some science, and here I can give a nice logo, brand image. You can have n number of options over here. Then from here you can change the email, you can change the header type. Now, if you want to add a new page, this is the starting page or home page of your website. As we have for so many websites, we have home pages and n number of pages into that. Similarly, here also we can create a home page and many more pages into that, and where we can ask each student. For example, you have made a group of 5 students, okay, and those 5 students you have assigned, they all 5 have to work on one particular animal. For example, herbivorous. Next group of 5 have to work maybe on carnivorous, and so on. So you can create different pages for your students. Here we have the option of pages. Click on pages. Here from here you can add the page. See here we have the option of add page. Click on this add new page, and maybe I can give the name as carnivorous. Similarly, I can add one more page, maybe as herbivorous, and so on, and so on. Now I can assign that this particular is for one group of student, and so on. So for example, if I go to carnivorous page, and now I want to insert some video. So here we have the option. You can insert image also. You can insert text box over here. You can insert drive over here. You can insert something from your drive. If you go down, you can add buttons, YouTube videos. You can add a calendar. You can add a map. When if this assignment is to be given to SST student, uh, the map is very much helpful for them. You can even have form and charts. If you are assigning it, for example, you want assigning this task to a group of students, and you are asking them to compare data of 2 different years. So again, charts are very much helpful for them. So I'll just show you how to add a YouTube video. Click on this YouTube. When you click on YouTube, you will type something about carnivorous, and you can get so many videos available. You can take any one video from here, click on select, and that particular video gets added. You can even, if you want to add some more description about this video, so here we have the option of docs. So you can, the students can by default prepare their document file and save it in their drive, and just from their drive they can utilize it from here, and click on insert. That particular document gets inserted. You no need to explain them such so many things in detail. You can just give a gist of it and ask the students to explore. And I really tell you, students are more techno savvy than we teachers. They will explore it in a very beautiful manner, and they will actually do wonders if we just guide them properly. So this is the way you can create a page, or your students can create a page in this way. Once it is done, Now the next thing is, now you have to assign it to different students or group of students. So here we have the option of share. Click on share, and here you can add the name of the students to whom with whom you want to share. Once you've added their name, here you can click on the option of send. Always remember, before you click on the option of send, here you have the option of prevent editors from publishing, changing access, and adding new people. Always click on tick, as we as teachers always need to prevent this thing, because we don't want anyone else, our students, to add anyone else over here and edit it or change the access. So it's up to you. Do you want to give access or permission or not? Once then, click on save changes, click on done, and that those many and with whomsoever you have shared, it will go to the link will go to that particular student. If that child is again not able to view whatever you have share with them, the Google site you have shared with them, what you can do, here you already given the name, just click on it, already gets saved in our drive, fine. So before I show you that, here I have the option of preview. Click on preview. Preview will actually help you to see how your Google site looks once everything is ready. This is your home page, this is your carnivorous page. If you just go down, here you can see what the student have done, the student's work. You can even see it in a mobile format, in a phone format. You can see in a tablet format and in the full screen format or computer format. So once done, just click on this close. Once done, as I was telling you that if the students are not able to view or they have not received the mail that you have sent, or whenever you are sharing it from here, it happened that they do not receive it or they're not able to view it, the best way is you can just share the link with them. Now, how to share the link with them? Just click on close. Once you click on close, you come in my drive again. Just refresh your drive once. Once you refresh your drive, go in recent. Yeah, already it's here. See, just now what we have created. Just right click on that. Here you get shareable link. Click on get shareable link. The link gets copied. Click it, keep it on. The link gets copied. Go in your classroom. Here, see, I have simply shared it for my class. Click over here and just click on paste. And this link you can post it in the wall of your, on the wall of your classroom, that's in the stream. Okay. Now let's show you. Already have done created one for my class for 11th B. I will just share that with you. This is the link that was for the Google site, and I have assigned this to a group of 2 students of my class, and they are working on that. So I can just show you a preview of it. See, this is the way they are working on it. This is their home page. They have just started working on that. This is the second page, CPU page, what they have created. If you go down, they have written information regarding that, and again they have explored. They're just working on that, and they might be completing in next 2 3 days. So this is the way you can assign Google site to your students, and really, believe me, it will do wonders, and your maximum work becomes easy. And it's a beautiful tool where you can actually keep a record of how much students have understood, and it is a great brainstorming activity which will help them to explore more in the subject that you have shared with them. I hope this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much.